Hello everyone. Welcome to Learning with Kiran Pandey. Today we will read Lesson 5 of Computer Class 2, Mouse and Input Device. Let's start with the reading. Learning in this chapter. Mouse and its types. Flipping the right button and left button of a mouse. Functions of mouse buttons. A mouse is an input device. It looks like a real mouse. It is small in size and has a tail which is attached to the CPU. Children, this is a mouse. You can see over here that it is identical to a real mouse. A mouse has two buttons. This is the picture of a mouse. This is how a mouse looks like, a computer mouse. The button on the left side of the mouse is called left button. Children, this is the left button. The button on the right side of the mouse is called right button. This is the right button. The mouse is kept on the mouse pad. The left button is used for left click and the right button is used for right click. A mouse helps us to move the pointer and draw pictures on the computer screen. Mouse pad. The pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse pad. As we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the arrow like pointer on the monitor also moves. This pointer is known as the mouse pointer. Mouse pointers are of different types. For example, children, here are 4 types of mouse pointers given over here. You can find it on the screen of the monitor when you use a mouse. Types of mouse. A mouse can be of different types. Here is a 2 buttons mouse. Can you see the picture, children? And here is the scroll mouse. Come to the next page, children. Scroll mouse. A scroll mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and the right button. We can move a page up and down by moving the scroll wheel. A scroll mouse is of 2 types. Here is a ball mouse. A ball mouse has a ball under it. This ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. Here is a optical mouse. An optical mouse uses light instead of a ball for movement of the mouse pointer. Holding and moving the mouse. Place your palm on the mouse. Hold it with your thumb and the last 2 fingers. Place your index finger on the left button and your middle finger on the right button. Now, move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Functions of mouse buttons. Clicking. When we press and release any button on the mouse, it makes a click sound. This is called clicking. Let's come on the next page, children. Let's try. Move the pointer and point at any object on the monitor. Press the left mouse button and release it. The object will be selected. Double clicking. Pressing and releasing the left mouse button twice in one go is called double clicking. Let's try. Move the pointer to the computer icon. Double click on the left mouse button. The computer window will open. Right clicking. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button will show a list of commands on the monitor. Here you can see, on clicking the right mouse button, a list of commands will be shown on the screen of the monitor. Let's try. Move the mouse pointer to the computer icon and right click. You will get a list of commands. Dragging and dropping. This action is used to move an item from one place to another on the monitor with the help of a mouse. Let's come to the next page, children. Let's try. Place the pointer over an item on the screen. Press and hold down the left button. Now, move the pointer to the place where you want to place the item. Release the button and you will see that the item has moved. This was the process of dragging. Here you can see a picture of dragging an icon. Flipping the right button and left button of a mouse. Some people are right-handed and some are left. The basic functions of a mouse are set for a right-handed person by default. To make the mouse easy to use by a left-handed person, you can swap the functions of the mouse button. Let's try. Click on the Start button. Go to Control Panel. A Control Panel window will appear. Select the Mouse option. The Mouse Properties dialog box will appear. Under the button configuration, select the checkbox. Switch primary and secondary buttons to change the setting. Now click on the Apply button and then click on the OK button. The existing settings of the mouse will be changed. Children, here you can see the picture of changing the settings of mouse.